If you ever have the chance to find these Danish butter cookies without a sewing kit in them, get some eggnog and make some eggnog cheesecake right in the tin. While the cookies are soaking in some eggnog, go ahead and take some vanilla jello pudding mix and 2 cups of eggnog and stir that together to make a vanilla eggnog pudding. To that you want to add half a tub of the no-bake cheesecake mix. And it's going to be so good, y'all. So easy and so tasty. So let that set. Get that cookie base out, and naturally you have to remove all the paper that was keeping the cookies in place in the tin. Once the paper is out, grab a mallet or a potato masher or a whisk and mush everything together until you get a base. Put a lid on it, let that sit, and once that has set, you're going to put that cheesecake eggnog pudding mix right on top, and then you're going to top that with your favorite fruit topping. I'm using blueberry here, and then you're just going to put a little bit of whipped cream, just make it a little bit decorative, and then you're going to add some fresh blueberries. Oops! And now you've got the cutest eggnog cheesecake.